Here I'm cutting 3/4 inch pine plywood, and this is cut at 2 feet wide by 4 feet long, and I'm cutting 2 pieces of them. I'm applying masking tape about 12 inches up in the center, and that's just going to help me to not get blowout. Now I'm just drilling my center point, and this is marked at 3 inches up to 9 inches. And I'm just using a 6-inch hole saw to cut the hole. Now I'm using my pocket hole machine to drill out my holes, and this is for the sides, and this is cut at 3 1/4 inches wide, so you get a total of 4 inches of thickness. I'm just going to use my brad nailer to tack it in place, and that's just going to hold it in place for me while I drive my screws in. And I'm using 1 1/4 inch screws. At this point, I'm ready to install the legs, and I'm measuring a 1/2 inch in on each side. And I just had some scrap pieces laying around. This is 1 inch thick, and I'm just going to use a clamp to hold it in place while I drive the drill bit for my bolt. Now these legs are 12 inches long, 11 1/4 long, and I'm just test fitting to see how they fit and to make sure they fold down okay. Now if they don't, I will cut a little bit of the meat off at the bottom, or I'll sand it. And I'm checking my measurement to make sure that it's at 12 inches in height. Now I like to use a brush to stain. I'm using Early American stain. I don't like to use a rag just for the sheer fact that I find that it's very blotchy when I use a rag. I like to use a brush. You get a little bit of waste, but it does a nice even job of spreading the stain, and it's quick. Now I will brush the stain on the entire board, and then I'll wipe it down with the rag. And I'm just putting on the one coat. I'm going to use an exterior clear, and this is a satin, and I'm putting on 2 coats. I will put 1 coat, wait about an hour, hour and a half. I will lightly sand it and put a 2nd coat. And then I'll let it sit and dry overnight. Now I'm ready to install the legs. I'll check to make sure everything's working properly, and it's good to go. And that is the cornhole game. It seems to be a popular game now these days. Customer is picking it up today for the long weekend, so it works out perfect. It was a quick, fast build, done out of pine, used exterior clear, and it worked out pretty good. That pretty much wraps it up for this video. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.